Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Azam and I am super excited to announce my brand new app. It's called My Veggie Garden. So if you are interested in vegetable gardening, this is the app for you. I've been working on it for a couple of months now. It uses Swift UI and Swift Data iCloud sync and also foundation models. So it does use foundation model to recommend you vegetables also. So let's take a quick tour of this. Now, the app is free to download, but a lot of vegetables will be locked. So I'm using the unlocked version. So you get 5 vegetables for free, but if you want the whole catalog, then you will have to subscribe. So let's check out my garden. Now, I don't really have any gardens. Let's go ahead and create garden. Let's call it Backyard Garden. So that's just the name of the garden. And you can actually write the description. This is Backyard Garden. All of this is created using Swift UI and Swift Data. I can create multiple gardens also. Maybe I want to create a front yard garden. Front yard garden. There we go. And now I can go to the garden and I can add different vegetables to the garden. So let's say arugula. I can read about it, how to sow, how to harvest, and I can plan to using seeds or seedlings. I'll go with seedlings. It's going to take a little less time. And harvest reminders, I can say, remind me 1 week and 3 days and on the day. I don't want to miss the harvest. So make sure that you remind me all the time. And which garden do I want to plant? I can actually choose both of them. I just want to plant it on the front yard as well as the backyard. And now it's actually, planted on the backyard garden as well as the front yard garden. You can see in the front yard also, I got arugula. Now I can go ahead and add some other stuff, like maybe I can search for something. Let's say tomato. That's the number one common thing you will use in your recipes, right? When you're cooking something. So let's start with seeds, 3 days, that's fine. And in the backyard garden, not in the front yard. All right, so now I have 2 vegetables in the backyard garden. I can see, that's great. I can also go to the vegetable and I can see some timeline of this. I can add some notes. I can say just planted. And if I have some sort of an image, I can probably attach an image. Whatever image that you have, you can attach that particular image and it will be synced also. Now, obviously this is not the tomato image, but you get the idea. You can also archive the vegetable if you're done with it. You can delete the vegetable if you're done with it. A lot of different things. You can even delete the whole garden. Plant Now. Plant Now is a feature which means that it is going to find your current location, and based on the location, it's going to recommend you vegetables. And there you go. You can see that it is recommending, since I'm running on the simulator, is recommending San Francisco, zone 10B, that's the hardiness zone. And based on my zone, based on the month of the year, it is actually recommending that I should plant these vegetables right now. If I was in Houston, I would be using a different zone. All of this information is by USDA Hardiness Zone data. So it is actually coming from the real deal. And then we use the AI or foundation model to recommend different vegetables. So you can see all the list of vegetables. And you can obviously go ahead and plant that. All right. You have pest information also. Information about like what these pests will do, description and all that stuff. And that is most of the app. I mean, one of the good things about this app is that really nice and beautiful interface. You can write notes, multiple notes. All of these notes will be saved. So it's kind of like a journal that you're keeping track of every single vegetable. And I keep on adding different vegetables over here. I think recently I added like 10 or 15 more. And it works really nice on the dark mode. It looks really beautiful on the dark mode, as you can see, right? So if you want to check out this particular app, if you want to support my channel, download the app. The link will be right there in the description, in the YouTube description. Go ahead, download the app. Your rating and review is extremely appreciated because, it's a new app. So rating and review always counts. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy this app, and if you do, share it on social media. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.